Hey guys, so we just got another Stitch Fix Kids. We got one last year before the beginning of the school year and it was so great. I wanted to try it again this year. This is my daughter. We call her P on the blog. And she's 10, she's about a size 8, so pretty petite. And we're gonna see what they sent us.
I'm gonna open this package.
So it comes as kind of 2 packages in the thing, right, Paige?
I see like 3.
Ooh.
I don't know. Maybe 2. We have this cute shirt.
What do you think of that one?
I like it a lot.
That's really different from anything else you have, right? P is going into the 5th grade, and we start real early here. That is pretty cute.
Next, there's this shirt, which I like, kind of plain and simple.
There's that knot in the front. Did you see the knot in the front?
Oh, yeah. And we have this one, simple blue. I like it.
Blue was one of the colors you requested, right?
Light blue.
Light blue. We also had requested long shorts, so when I took a peek on it, it doesn't look like they have shorts long enough.
And then
Oh,
we have this dress. I really like it.
like a skater dress, huh?
Yeah.
That's very
Got
cute.
something in the back.
So we don't like booty shorts, so I think they weren't able to really find anything that fit what we needed.
We got leggings or something.
Yeah, you love the leggings you got last year, right?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty cute.
Okay, next package.
I wonder if that matches the blue shirt. Do those leggings match the blue shirt?
Kinda.
Sort of.
The back color. Then there's our second package. And ooh, we have this unicorn shirt.
Ooh. Oh wow, and it's like hair, huh?
Yeah.
You can comb your unicorn's hair.
We have another dress.
That
I
is
like
pretty
this one
cute.
too.
Would you wear a dress like that to school?
No, too fancy.
Too fancy.
Then we have this, which is like this.
Oh, like a little crisscross in the back.
This might be the front. No, it's the back.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's the back.
It won't go well with that skirt. That other skirt. Then we have, I guess, leggings again?
Yeah, but they look kind of like pants too.
Yep, they're leggings.
Do they match the same color as that shirt?
I think this one's like about the same, but like a different shade.
Hmm.
And then we have this that I saw. It's like a bag.
I think that's the shoes.
Yeah, I can see them. Whoa, look at these sandals.
Oops.
They're really cute. And here's the other one.
Those are pretty cute.
And then there's this bag.
That's kind of cool. That's reusable.
And then stickers.
Oh, it comes with some stickers. Is there a note from your stylist?
It says, nope, there's a Stitch Fix box carnival. So.
Yeah, so I don't think the kids get a note from their stylist, is it?
Stickers. Oh, Stitch Fix Kids.
I think in there, let's see what's in there. Is it just like positive
It
cards?
says, hi there, this fix was made just for you. Open for a little message from your stylist.
So that's pretty cool.
Hi Paige, let's get into the mix with your second fix. You and your mom left such great feedback. Thank you. I've included some pieces with grown-up trends like the knot front tee and a striped cross back tee that will have you looking cool and trendy.
Mmm.
I couldn't find any shorts with the inseam you need, so I'm sending a couple of pairs of lightweight leggings. I also found a shirt in your favorite light blue. The dresses I included should be a little longer on you so you don't need leggings underneath in the summer. The rose gold sandals are versatile and can be worn with all of these outfits. Keep up the great comments, your friend Catherine.
That's pretty cool. All right, we're gonna do fashion show and tell what we think, right? Awesome. Okay, what do you think of that?
I like it a lot. These leggings were really easy to put on and they're like a nice temperature for the summer.
Why don't you give us a twirl?
Sure. It has stitching in the back.
You like that? Did you see it in the mirror?
Yeah, I like it a lot. It looks good.
Yeah, and here's the sandals. Come walk forward. What do you think of those?
I like them a lot. They look really cute.
Yeah, I like those. So the sandals were 18, and these prices are without the 25% off. The shirt was 16, and the leggings were 12. So if you buy the whole box, you get 25% off, but if not, that's not horrible. Looking good. You like them? All right, moving on to the next outfit. Okay, so this is the Sophie and Zeke Dre ruffle sleeve top, and that's $22. And then those are the coral leggings she had on before. What do you think of the shirt though, Paige? This is pretty growed up.
I like it a lot. It has like some nice texture. The design is simple, but like classy.
Classy. Is that a good first day option maybe?
Kinda. I mean, like there's a lot of strings, but I like it.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, here we are with the Crown of Hearts Kylie knot front tee. It is $14 without the 25% discount. Paige, give us a little twirl. And that knot is pretty fancy. You like that? Kind of gives you a little waist, huh? But it's still plenty long enough, right?
Yep.
And we actually got these shorts last year in our Stitch Fix box. But they didn't come in this year's, right? You like? Would you want to keep it?
Yes, they're plain but good.
Hey guys, I thought I would share one of the cutest things that they do. She did read the letter, but they do send them a, you know, a little letter about why they pick stuff out and shows them what they got, just like a regular Stitch Fix box. And so when you're 10 and your mom gets boxes pretty frequently, this is a big deal. And it's pretty cool that they do it. And smart that they do it. Good marketing, but it shows there really was a stylist and somebody picked out these clothes just for her. All right, we've got the Rumi and Ryder. This is a cap sleeve tee in light purple for 18. And that has some serious shag hair on that unicorn. Page, can you show them? That's actual little hairiness. And then we've also got Rumi and Ryder ruched ankle leggings. And those are 12. The t-shirt is 18 and the leggings are 12. And do you notice they have kind of like some little ruffles on the legs? Not 100% sure that these two go together. What do you think, Paige?
I mean, I don't know. I mean, they look like purple and blue. So.
Yeah, maybe. What do you think though?
I like it. It has a nice ruffle.
You like the fringy?
Yeah.
And what do you think on the leggings?
I like the design on them. I'm not sure if they fit together
Yeah.
as well as they said they would, but I mean, I like
I don't know that they meant for them to go together. Hard to say. Give us a little twirl because I think that shirt's longer in the back, yeah, than in the front, so that's kind of nice. So thumbs up. Cool. All right, so we're checking out the shirt right here. What do you think of the shirt?
The shirt is nice. They have like a little sleeve thing.
That's pretty cute.
I did not notice that before.
Yeah, I didn't
Same
notice that
leggings,
either.
But I like
I
it.
actually like this with those leggings better than
Yeah, they
the
fit
other
better.
shirt.
Just
But
like
that other shirt can easily go with some jeans or something, right?
Mhm.
And do you feel like those leggings are legging enough to wear as pants, or they're too thin?
I think they're like thick enough.
Yeah, they look a little more pant-like, maybe. So, cute shirt. That looks a little bit more grown up. And Paige had asked for a light blue shirt when she asked for her box. Thumbs up, thumbs down. Okay, awesome. All right, so this is the Jules skater dress, and it is $24, and the brand is Mia Chica. This is a size medium. What do you think, Paige?
I like it a not long sleeve. And
Yeah.
not too short sleeve, just
Yeah.
in the middle. And the length is good too. And I like the design overall.
Give us a little twirl. So there's a little cutout in the back, right? Kind of hard to tell with the tags,
The
but
band.
cool. All right, so this is the Sophia and Zeke Mabel woven flutter sleeve. It's $26. It is the most expensive thing in the box. Give us a twirl, Paige. But it's plenty long, and it looks like it's lined. There's something inside, right? Because you wouldn't have to wear a slip. What do you think?
I like it a lot.
Feel like you look too grown up.
Mom, I am grown up.
At 10. You like it? All right, let's review the box. Okay, Paige, so let's talk about this box. Our total was $133.50 if we get the 25% off. Show me the ones you liked the most.
So I like these sandals a lot because they're really cute.
Okay, hold them kind of still.
They have an elastic on there which made them easy to put on. And I also really liked this dress with the knot in the back. It looks very good. Could wear it to school and on Sundays. So that's very good for me. Then I also really liked this one because it has the slip bottom and it looks cute and the design is like flowery. So I like that.
Okay, so those were your favorites. What were your least favorites?
My least favorites were these two leggings just because they kind of like kept sliding up and
Okay, are we gonna have to put tucks in them?
an arch in the middle.
They fit your waist okay.
They fit my waist okay. It was just like that. I don't know.
Okay.
And then I also didn't really like this one because the hair just like
Kind of bugs you.
kind of cuts off the eye and looks kind of
Yeah.
weird.
Any of those you want to send back?
No, I want to keep all of them because, like, I mean.
So you just didn't like them the most, but you like them all.
Yeah.
So the way Stitch Fix does it, as a reminder to everybody, here's your checkout page. And I did have a credit, so you'll see that on there, but I had it from some other things. So everything has a cost, clearly, and then they add it up at the bottom, and then if you buy it all, you get a 25% discount. So that's $44. So there would need to be a couple of things we really didn't want in order for us to send anything back. So we'd have to really dislike a few things, because with that discount, it just makes more sense to keep it all and either consign something we didn't like, or you can sell it online, or just wear it if you're, if you liked it enough. Anyway, so that's how it works. Paige and I love doing this, especially for the new school year, right? So these clothes will just hang out in that box. We start school in about a month and a half, and it'll be exciting to have new things to wear for the beginning of school. And I love to have a first day outfit, right?
Yeah.
So you feel confident and cool on the first day. So happy Stitch Fix. If you guys have any questions, please ask us in the comments. Paige and I would be happy to answer, right?
Yep.
Okay, thanks, guys. Bye. 100% the thing I like the most about this is she is not fun to take to the store before school starts. And I love to get them something exciting to wear on the first day. I think that's really fun. She only fits super slim jeans, so sometimes we can't find those. And we have kind of some modesty restraints that we really like to stay within. So shorts that go to the knee, covering our shoulders. And so sometimes it's just really hard in the stores that are at the mall, and she gets disinterested with trying stuff on if it's for very long. So I love that this comes to our house. She can try it on here. She feels real grown up and cool. So I'm a big fan of Stitch Fix Kids, especially like at the changes of the seasons.